Hey, hello, it's Ben here with Stu on the Lake. So here's a quick update. I've been back, had about 3 weeks where I had a lot of stuff to do. So you guys asked for it. Here it is. This is a quick on the build part of it. That's the snake. I turned him into a dragon, and you'll see a video on that in a couple days here. This is the one that you can't do anymore. I actually pulled the nail out. You could use a tin can, but for the tongue. But that little slot there is for a thumb hole. So when you put your thumb on there to pull that sliding box open, it comes out and bites you right on the top of the thumb. This guy here is a quick video. This one will probably take 3-4 days before I put up. It was just a little pine cone, man. Nothing too thrilling about this. I've been busy with a bunch of commissions and stuff. So here's a crown that's going to go in the top. That's a sample that I did for the design folks. These are going into some cabinets up on the top, and that's just the rough sample that I provided with them. You won't get to see that. Here's some of the other samples that went along with those cabinets, and then I did a pine cone on the left, oak leaves on the right, and it's just an inset in that, and that goes in a couple of the rails on the cabinet, and then some of the rest of the cabinets. There's probably 20-30 feet of these. Since it was a sample, one side was pine cone, one was the other. And this is just going to be the applique that goes on there. I haven't got the final dimensions on that yet. I still have to carve those for the commission piece that's going in. And fortunately, the cabinet maker gets to do those. So those are the things that I have been working on. You remember these? I did 3 of these shields, and I still have the 4th, the larger one to do, but I carved 3 identical ones, and that's what I've been up to, in addition to about 3 weeks traveling back and forth between Denver and up here in Wisconsin. So back down in Iowa this week. I got a little bit of editing. I pulled a few videos, so stand by. A couple videos coming out the next few days. Hey, thanks for you guys' patience. I just wanted to show you what I've been up to. And this is going to have that snake box, which was turned into a dragon. In probably a day or two, will be up, and that's a great fun one. And you guys asked for it. Hey, thanks a lot. This has been Ben with Stu on the Lake.